My name is Charles Dickens Omara. I stay in Uganda in a district called Lira. I'm one of the beneficiaries for the training program organized by Relief Africa and Farming Academy, Denmark. So far, we have learned about 22 lectures, and I'm really so much grateful for the lectures that I've just received because already I'm gaining experience. And the lectures that I've just been trained on, I'm also happy to tell you that I'm using my skill at the same time the skill that I've gotten from the lectures to really train on my farmers. Because I'm also involved in one of the animal projects that is within our area. So the training actually, or the lectures actually so good, and we just wish and feel that the program should continue because really it has impacted a lot of knowledge to us. Um, Actually, me as someone who used to stay in Uganda, there were some of the things that really we just used to hear, but at least through the training, we were in position to also experiment it, and they also send us some of the videos that really we have been watching and giving us courage to really be in the animal field or animal section. Also, me as someone who did animal science or who is an animal specialist, I'm also so much happy for the lectures because really I'm gaining a lot of experience. I'm gaining a lot of new things. The other things that I used not even to know, but the few lectures that I've attended online I've really liked, and I just feel like I'm going to be someone in the next 5 years. I Nothing much apart from giving thanks to Farming Academy Denmark and Anger Relief Africa. All the best. Just waiting for time of protocol. If comes, then we shall all be there. Thank you. Good day.